माननीय सभासदों, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी,
आइटम नंबर 20, 21 और 22
महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि भारत के संविधान का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए। महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि जम्मू कश्मीर पुनर्गठन अधिनियम 2019 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए। महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि संघ राज्य क्षेत्र शासन अधिनियम 1963 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की मंजूरी दी जाए।
कर दिया
श्री असाउद्दीन ओवैसी जी।
Sir, I stand to oppose the introduction of J&K Reorganization Amendment Bill 2025, Union Territories Amendment Bill 2025, and the Constitution 130 Amendment Bill 2025, sir. Sir, this violates principle of separation of powers, due process, undermines the right of the people to elected government. Sir, it gives executive agencies a free run to become judge and jury and executioner based on flimsy allegations, suspicions, sir. Sir, only when an offence is proved beyond reasonable doubt, then only you can leave the post and the membership. But here a mere accusation, allegation, the punishment of losing one ministerial post will follow. Sir, Parliament democracy's chief ministers and ministers can only be removed through true means. First, executive prime minister can recommend their removal if the second council of ministers lose confidence of the legislature. Now this bill would empower the unelected executive and bureaucracy to play the role of legislature. Sir, it undermines representative parliament democracy. This amendment would leave the minister and CM at the mercy of executive agencies. The severity of the amendment is not only in the fact that one loses their position if they are arrested, but even if they are detained. Detention and administrative action doesn't require an offence to be made. Sir, the chief minister will not be able to accountable people. I want to know from the Honourable Home Minister, as he read Article 74(1), which says that the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister to aid and advise the President who shall, in exercise of his function, act in accordance with such advice. Now, this bill clearly violates 74(1). Sir, this is the 1933 Gestapo when Gestapo was found in Germany. This government is hell-bent on creating a police state. This will be a death knell and leash on elected government, sir. Indian Constitution is being amended to turn this country into a police state. BNS 152, the Home Minister promised in this House that sedition would not be used. Section 316, Section 9 of BNS, PMLA Section 4, all these can be used to destabilize an elected government, sir. That is why I oppose the introduction of all these three bills. This is nothing but creating a Gestapo to ensure that our democracy does not survive. And may I tell the Honourable Home Minister, despite his promise on BNS 152 has been used against a senior journalist, Siddharth Vardhan, Assam also. That is why I oppose this introduction of three bills, sir. Thank you.
Tiwari.
Speaker, sir, I rise to oppose the introduction of these three bills under Rule 70(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha. This bill is squarely destructive of the basic structure of the Constitution. अध्यक्ष महोदय, भारत का संविधान का जो मूलभूत ढांचा है वो ये कहता है कि कानून का राज होना चाहिए. There should be rule of law. और उस rule of law, कानून के राज की बुनियाद है कि आप बेगुनाह हैं जब तक आपका गुनाह साबित नहीं किया जाता. You are innocent until proven guilty. This bill stands that fundamental maxim of jurisprudence on its head. It makes an investigating officer the boss of the Prime Minister of India. The second ground on which I oppose this bill, it violates Article 21 the due process clause, FIR, arrest, charge sheet, and even framing of charge does not in any manner substantiate guilt. In fact, you plead not guilty only after charges are framed against you. This bill turns the fundamental jurisprudence of Article 21 on its head. Number 3, it distorts parliamentary democracy, which is again basic structure, by displacing will of the people through mere custody, bereft of judicial determination. अध्यक्ष जी, ये बहुत ही संवेदनशील विधेयक है. मेरे 2 बिंदु और हैं, मुझे कृपया.
ओके
चौथा, on the fourth ground is it opens.
प्लीज माननीय सदस्य, आप नियम 72 के तहत विरोध कर रहे हैं.
अध्यक्ष जी बिल्कुल.
जब कभी बिल आपका सदन में आए, जब आप डिटेल में चर्चा करना.
अध्यक्ष जी,
अभी नियम 72 के विरोध के बाद सारांश बोलने की परमिशन दिए.
जो रूल 72 है वो 2 चीज कहता है. एक लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस, एक जनरल ऑपोजिशन ऑफ द बिल, जिसकी स्वीकृति आप दे सकते हैं. और क्योंकि ये इतना संवेदनशील विधेयक है, मैं आपसे ये विनती करता हूं इसके ऊपर पूरी चर्चा कराई जाए. मेरे सिर्फ 2 बिंदु और हैं. दिस बिल, मिस्टर स्पीकर सर,
एक मिनट. आपने कानूनन बात की, तो कानून ये भी है कि 72 उसके बाद भी अलाउ करता हूं, लेकिन संक्षिप्त में.
बिल्कुल संक्षिप्त में अध्यक्ष जी.
आपको डिटेल में चर्चा
मेरे सिर्फ 2 बिंदु और हैं. This bill opens the door for political misuse by instrumentalities of the state whose arbitrary conduct has been repeatedly frowned upon by the Supreme Court. And finally, it throws all existing constitutional safeguards to the winds. Collective responsibility, judicial review, no confidence motion, and disqualification and conviction. And this makes this amendment excessive, unnecessary, and unconstitutional. इसलिए मैं इन तीनों विधेयकों का पुरजोर विरोध करता हूं और गृह मंत्री से मैं ये आग्रह करना चाहता हूं कि ये तीनों विधेयकों को वापस लिया जाए.
एन.के. प्रेमचंदन.
Speaker sir, I strongly oppose the bill, 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill, as well as the other 2 bills I strongly oppose on 4 grounds. So the first ground is the bills are to be introduced according to the rules and procedure of the House. The bill is not circulated among the members. Yesterday after 1 o'clock we have received the copy of the bill, and I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the undue haste and urgency in bringing such a constitutional amendment bill? What is the emergent need of having such a bill? That means the introduction of the bill itself is lacking bona fides. The bill is lacking bona fides. That is why I would like to say that this is with a mala fide intention to destabilize the opposition ruled states in various parts of the country. Number one.
एक मिनट. माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, प्रेमचंद्रन जी कह रहे हैं कि जल्दबाजी में लाया गया. इसका सवाल इसलिए नहीं उठता कि मैं इस बिल को संयुक्त समिति को सौंपने की दरखास्त करने वाला हूं. इस पर संयुक्त समिति जो राज्यसभा और लोकसभा पक्ष और विपक्ष सभी सांसदों की बनेगी, जो इस पर विचार करेगी और आपके सामने लेकर आएगी.